Good morning, Garage Master users and people who are looking at Garage Master. So, just some upgrades to the reporting section that allow more exporting more easily. Now, obviously, within the system, you can use this export to CSV file, but there's also a section in reporting. So, don't forget you can use users if you want to restrict someone so they can't access this. But there's a whole new section for downloading stuff to Excel. So you can just click on customers, for instance, and this is only a demo account, so it doesn't have a lot. So it opens in Excel, and it's a very simple Excel spreadsheet that you could then use to import into other accounting systems. If, say, at the end of the year you wanted to, your accountant wants the data, so that you can just download it very, very easily. So that customer invoices, it's just a really easy way. It's easy, simple data in terms of the way it's presented, and it allows you to use it'll allow your accountant or whoever to just take the data and import it into their system. If you find that your accountant's using something a bit strange, we know there's an issue with QuickBooks because QuickBooks has its own weird format. We've got the specs for that and we are working on it. So you'll eventually see QuickBooks here and then a list of things. Or if you find that your accountant wants something else, then just let us know and we'll try and help you out. We'd rather you using our system. And then, most accountants will be quite happy with the chart of accounts, I should think, which is this thing where it's all split up over, you can see you've got different categories, sales categories, purchases, purchase categories, expenses. It's split up that way. So there's a whole way of taking out. So don't be afraid to jump into Garage Master Online if you're currently just using this plain accounting system, because accounting systems don't help you. All they do is they provide information for your account on HMRC, whereas because of Garage Master having loads of stuff built into it, like your calendar, like the MOT stuff, like the vehicle information, it's of much more advantage to a small business, and at the cost of less than a cup of coffee every day, for the standard version, which includes all this stuff. It's really, really good value. Anyway, thanks very much. I hope that's really helpful. That's a little bit about exporting data.